Hello everyone. In this video, we will discuss how to connect your broker with Tradetron. So in order to connect your broker, you first need to check if your broker is actually a partner of Tradetron or not. So in order to find all the partners of Tradetron, you have to scroll down to the bottom of the page where you'll see this footer. In this footer, you'll see a page called Partners. So click on the Partners page, and here you will see all the broker partners of Tradetron. We currently have around 44 different partners, and there's a high chance that your broker is you might have an account with any one of these brokers. Since my broker Zerodha is in this list, I can simply come here and click on setup instructions. This will open up a page which will be the setup instruction guide that I need to follow in order to connect my Zerodha account. If in case you are finding it difficult to connect your account based on this guide, there's also an audio visual guide that we have, and it's available on YouTube. In order to get access to that guide, you can simply Google how to connect Zerodha with Tradetron. So since my broker is Zerodha, I'm looking for Zerodha, but you can look for whichever broker. Most brokers videos are available on YouTube very easily, and you'll see there will be a YouTube video of the same broker integration. After integrating your broker, you now need to test if the broker integration is done properly or not before you begin your journey with algo trading. So in order to test, you need to open a new tab and look for the strategy called itc.tradetron.tech. Once you open this strategy, a page like this should appear. In this page, there's a strategy which you need to duplicate. So click on duplicate, and after that, this strategy would have duplicated in your account. The logic of this strategy is to buy one share of ITC in cash market and then sell it after 1 minute in order to test if the connection is established correctly or not. So I'll go to my strategies, and here you can see the ITC strategy has appeared. So just click on deploy and then select live auto and then select your broker as Zerodha. We'll talk about the execution types in the next video, and simply click on deploy. Once you click on this, the deployment of the same strategy would have appeared here. In this deployment, it will fire one share of ITC and then square it off after 1 minute. This way you can check if the integration with the broker has been successfully done or not. If the order gets successfully placed and then the square off happens successfully, that means you are good to go and you can begin your algo trading. If you face something like an error execution, that means you are making some or the other mistake. We would suggest you contact support, the support team, in order to get better help with adding your broker. So that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed this video. In the next video, we will be discussing about the entire carousel out here, which is the deployed page, the strategies, the marketplace, and we will talk about some other facts about Tradetron. Thank you.